Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. I'm Colin, and today we're going to be unboxing something major, man. I got this build that I'm working on right now. Listen, these subs right here, American Bass XFL 12-inch subs. I'm excited to see what's in this box. It was so heavy bringing it from the UPS store to my car. I was about 2 blocks away. I just want to get right into it, man. I'm excited. But listen, this is unlike any you ever seen before. This is the brand new, not new, but brand new V.2 XFL 12. Check it out. XFL 1244-V.2. This is the brand new version, the newest version out there. 1500 watts RMS, 3000 watt max. Let's get right to it. See the American Bass tape on the seams? I'm ready to go. I want to see what's in this box right now. And I usually have my knife, but I don't have it right now, so I'll have to use these scissors, my trusty scissors. They work good in a pinch. Yep. When in doubt, rip it open. Got time for all that. All right. Okay. We got a box. And we got another box inside of the box. Last American Bass that I was using was XD1244, 12-inch XDs. They were good. They pounded. They rated at 500 RMS. I was running them at 750 each. Never got hot, never smoked, never smelled glue burning, no coils, nothing. They probably could take more than that, but at the time, that's all my system was rated for. That's all I could do on it with a stock alternator, stock battery. Hey, it's another box inside of a box. Show you that. I'm excited here. Third time's the charm, I hope. Excuse me if you can't see me under these massive cardboard boxes, but it ain't about seeing me, it's about seeing what's in the box. And I can't wait. As you could, I see something. Oh yeah, we reached it, we made it. Let me pull it out for you. You have your user manual, owner's manual. You got a cool American Bass sticker there. Owner manual has a different wiring schematics for your different subs and voice coil and ohm setups. And it gives you a little diameter speaker cable guide. So that's cool, but that's not what we're here for. Let's try and get this out the box. Okay, reaching down, about 1,000,000 layers of cardboard. That's a good thing. Oh, listen. Oh my goodness. Not exaggerating, guys. Oh, get that out of here. Look at this. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. See if we can get this out of this cardboard. Where's the push terminals? Okay. Push terminals. The other one had leads. Oh yeah, this is heavy. This is massive. Let's try it like this. Get these off of here. Off this motor. Yeah. One at a time, I guess. I'm excited. You see me trying to tear these off. What? This thing is heavy, guys. Super heavy. All right, see if we get this bag off. I want to see what we got. Ooh. It's like 3 times as heavy as my other American Bass sub I was running. There we go. Wow. Give me a second, please. Let me show you the dust cap first. I didn't even get a chance to look around, but that's beautiful. American Bass Excellence in Sound XFL 1244. Red stitching. Yeah, you see this? See the surround? The previous 1244s, they had like equal ribbing, and the other one just had a smooth surround. So this is totally different. They got American Bass embossed on the edges. I'm sweating now, y'all. But man, What a massive sub. This is beautiful. Let me see what we got here. Let me look for a second. Get that motor. Double spiders on there. The coils look beautiful. Huge. Look like probably 10 gauge push terminals. See that magnet, that motor? That sucks my stainless steel scissors right up. That's real. So yeah, the push terminals on there. Last time it was leads, direct leads. But now you got these beefy, massive push terminals. Look like you can hook up 10 2-gauge wires at a time. I'm gonna bring this close to you. Look at this, man. Look at this. Let me let you see here. Oh, here's the numbers. American Bass 2x4 ohm. That's your dual voice coils. XFL 1244-V.2 12-inch sub. 1500 watts RMS, 3000 watt max. See if you could get in there. See what it focuses on. The voice coils at the bottom looking beautiful. You see your dual tensile leads on soldered into the spider there, woven in. Oh yeah. Look at that. Man, look at that dust cap. I like that thread too. This is massive. Look at those push terminals. Dude. Oh, wow. I hope you can feel my excitement because the build that I'm working on, and it'll be posted. So just keep checking back to the channel. I'm going to show you every step of the install from new high output alternator all the way down to the American Bass subs. And I'm going to have some 6x9s and some nice boxes that's made for them. But I'm excited. It's, I'm going to be running 2 of these. I'm going to send them 3000 watts RMS off a JP23V2 amp. And my 6x9s are going to be fed by Recoil REA 600.4. I'm going to have it bridged. You can do 260 watts at 4 ohms times 2 channels. So that's what I'm going to be feeding to my 6x9s. 2 of those. It's going to be off the stock head unit, off a new Malibu. I'll be using the Kicker Kizlock 2 LOC to get my signal right before it goes into the amp. But I'll give you all those details when we do the install. Big 3 upgrade, of course, running 0 gauge. AGM battery, of course. But yeah, I'm excited, man. And this is the star of the show. 2 of these custom box should be here this week. It'll be 4.5 cubes, dual arrow ports. I'm excited, man. I'm excited for the build. I'm excited to see. It's nice and stiff too. I'm excited to see how these sound, how these feel. It's about a 40-hour break-in period on these, and that's going to kill me the most, just not being able to send it. But I'm going to do it right so we can enjoy a nice long life with these American Bass XFL 1244s. 12-inch subwoofer, 1500 watts RMS, 3000 watt max. For me, for the packaging, oh my goodness. And for what it is, American Bass XFL 12, 5 out of 5 stars.